y'all, welcome back to the channel, or if this is your first time seeing my face, welcome. On my channel, I share my many journeys as a woman. Most recently, it has been my experience as a first-time homeowner, a first-time home DIYer. I bought a fixer-upper. We've been doing a lot of things. So if you are new and all things home interests you, feel free to subscribe, join the tribe. We would love to have you. And also feel free to look back at my videos previously. It's a lot. It's quite a bit to catch up on. Today is going to be a fun video. Today is going to be an informative video to show y'all what is out there and what is available, and hopefully give y'all some home decor or furniture ideas. Today we are shopping for a brand new home, y'all. Yeah, you heard it right. Not my home, just so be clear. My friend Tracy bought a house. She bought a house. I am super excited for her. I'm excited to experience it with her, kind of just a little bit, you know, because it's been a while since I've been out to the stores and like shopped for a couch or looked at what was on the showroom floor, just saw what was out there and available. So to anybody who is about to buy a home, looking to decorate their home or furnish their home, or if there's somebody you know that will benefit from this video, it's just going to be a shop with me where I bring y'all along and you will be able to go out and see what is out there. Feel free to share this video with anybody you think it may benefit. It just got like way too bright, sorry. So let's just head out. I am excited not only to go out shopping, but to be re-inspired in all things home. So sit back, relax. You don't gotta do the work, okay? Grab a snack, grab a drink. We're gonna go shopping and I'll be able to show you what's out there right now. How gorgeous are these birds of paradise?
Get them for one.
Yeah. They're the same height and everything. They're just perfect for the patio. Okay, we're back. Now, we didn't get to go to as many stores as we initially planned, but I will say Ashley Furniture Store, the one that I go to specifically, they have absolutely elevated their showroom staging. Like, I felt super inspired in there, and I wanted to show y'all the pieces that I really like, the pieces I consider to be very high end, but not necessarily with like the RH tag or the CB2 tag or the Pottery Barn tag, but still really nice pieces. I even threw in a couple of things that aren't necessarily like my aesthetic, but I love design enough to appreciate all different types, you know what I mean? So I wanted to throw in a couple of those for y'all. In Ikea, I honestly wasn't feeling inspired, just to be honest. Like, they're out of stock of so many things, so I didn't want to like start sharing stuff that you can't even get. I don't see the point in that, so I didn't really film too much in Ikea. Some like little smaller items that I thought were cute and that I personally had my eye on, but I know that you saw the 2 birds of paradise plants. I know you saw them, okay? Now let me just tell you real quick, okay? If you're not new here, you already know this, but if you are new here, real quick, I had 2 birds of paradise plants. They were definitely smaller than the ones that you saw in Ikea. I had them in each corner of my little patio space, and let's just say it was at the very beginning of my plant mama journey, and it was a learning process for me. They did not make it, okay? During the holidays, I put different flowers out there, so you know, they were kind of like temporarily in use, but my plan as we came around back to the spring and the summertime was to put my birds of paradises back out there now that I am more knowledgeable when it comes to actually caring for them. But I knew that I wanted like a different version than the ones that I had before. And I'm gonna give y'all a close-up on Honey. That is the very first plant that I ever had, actually. That's my baby girl. But she's a bird of paradise. But she is the type let me bring y'all down and bring y'all a little closer, and maybe you can give me your thoughts as well. Okie dokie. Real quick, look at Bambi. Bambi is popping them out left and right, you hear me? She is loving this spot. And also my Monstera propagation is actually growing a new leaf. I know that the more leaves, the less they are likely to thrive because of the energy that it takes. But I was excited to see that. But here's Honey. Honey is my bird of paradise, my first plant that I ever purchased. We've had her ups, we've had our downs, but she's doing well. As you can see, the size of her leaves, they aren't like super tiny. The smaller ones are at the bottom. They are growing, getting bigger as they sprout. She even has a new one coming here, but she's in a stand that kind of makes her seem taller than what she is. Even in the stand, she kind of comes to me here, right? Boom, she comes here, even with the stand, right? Boom. Now I need y'all to feast your eyes, okay? Feast your eyes on this. Oh my God. First of all, ignore all that on the table. Anyway, I do want to say it's not in perfect condition, but if you know, you know. Looking at this plant is currently growing very healthy. It already has a leaf here in the middle that is like a day or two away from just starting to unfold and shoot out to become as big as one of those leaves here. On top of that, this is how closely I look. These are things to look at when you're looking at plants. I got close up in here, right? This is one that's coming. You see it? That will be sprouting next. Yes, I look that close, okay? This one here has a baby that is about to sprout as well. And the only one I would say would probably have to eventually be pruned out would be this one here, just because it's like broken, unfortunately, but it doesn't look terrible. I also don't want to just take it off now. I want to allow this one to grow a new leaf. But look how tall and beautiful they are, like the perfect pair. Although I was planning to get the birds of paradise for the outside, I absolutely wasn't planning on doing it right now. I truly feel like these two right here were sitting right there waiting for me. And when I tell you, they are gonna add so much life, vibrancy, and just beauty to where I put them, they absolutely are. I need y'all to understand that this is on the ground. I'm 5'10". Definitely gonna have to give her a good clean, but look at this leaf in comparison to my head. Excuse me. I'm sorry, what? Hello? Just look at the back of this leaf. I am so fascinated by plants. It's ridiculous. It's also good that the soil is dry, so I know they aren't overwatered. I've checked the roots at the bottom. Once I give them a nice clean, this was a really, really, really good buy. I already have plans to not only refresh my patio space, but we are diving into the backyard this summer. I have been putting it off, but I have also been feeling super inspired. Everything in the right time. We're definitely touching the backyard, the patio, and just revamping, transforming, creating more spaces in my own personal oasis. I told y'all. Poetry. I'm done. Also, there is one more video in the decluttering series, y'all. One more video, and then we are done decluttering. We are back to just me having fun with my home again. So get ready for that video. It will be posted March the 27th on Sunday. Of course, Sundays are my favorite days because it allows me to feel like I'm watching it with y'all. I don't necessarily have too much to do on Sundays most of the time. Some of the time, I don't know, I love Sundays. And those are the days where I just feel like most of y'all are, you know, at home doing what you gotta do, whether it's cleaning, and you can just kind of enjoy it and also enjoy your day. So March the 27th is going to be the last installment, and it's going to be a special one, y'all, because we are going into the kitchen pantry and the cleaning closet. We're coming down into the kitchen. We are opening the doors that are never open, the doors that are not to be spoken of. Okay, this is going to force me to go through my old cluttered Ray Dunn collection. It's a lot in there. Okay, just know that we have not had a fully functional pantry since I've lived in this house. We have actually not put anything that people actually put in their pantries since I've lived in this house. There are boxes, there are things, but we are addressing it. And once this is done, we are back to the fun. So if you're excited about that, comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Did you see anything that you liked? Do you love plants as well as much as I do? Are you designing in your home? What part of your home are you working on right now? What is the next project you plan to do? Like, not just speaking of home and interior design, home ownership really is a beautiful thing. While it can come with some stresses, it can come with the things that aren't so pretty, right? It also gives you a sense of relief, a sense of pride, a sense of security and accomplishment. When I tell you, just going to shop for home things with my friends as homeowners, all of us, was just full circle, because there was a time where we sat in our apartments and talked about this. There was a time where for us it was a dream. it was that thing that we had not gotten yet, but we knew we wanted it bad enough to make it a reality, and here we are. And it's just so much more growth to come. So I don't know, I just perspective. But anyway, thank y'all for spending a part of your Sunday with me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see y'all next Sunday in the last installment in Decluttering My Life. Bye. For everybody asking, where is my bed from? Ashley Furniture.
This is just stopping me from getting my grape.
Where's the grape?
The grape is on the tray. I'm standing over here.
Call the cops. Call the cops.
I'm sitting over here trying to get a grape. The counter should be.
I don't know what she's talking about, but
She's saying slide the tray over to the other counter.
oh,
You can't.
it removes the flexibility of it being moved.
Yes. But in reality, my island is small as hell. I'm trying to tell them.
They're that way.
Now she got her shoes off, y'all. Oh my God. I feel like you. But what's up though? Whew, my arm hurts.
I go where I want, good. I go where I want, good. I go where I want, good.